What is data science? Data science is a field that deals with data processing, analysis, and extraction of insights from the data using various statistical methods and computer algorithms. Why data science? Data has become the fuel of industries. Companies require data to function, grow, and improve their businesses. Data scientists deal with the data in order to assist companies in making proper decisions. Role of a data scientist. A data scientist deals with both unstructured and structured data. The unstructured data is present in a raw format that requires processing, cleaning, and organization in order to impart a meaningful structure to a dataset. With the usage of advanced machine learning algorithms, the data scientist predicts the occurrence of events and takes data-driven decisions. In simple words, data scientists use meaningful insights from data to assist companies in taking smarter business decisions. Solving problems with data science. For solving a real-world problem with data science, first step is data cleaning and pre-processing. Organizing the data and removing erroneous information makes it easier to analyze and draw insights. This process involves the removal of redundant data, handling missing values, etc. A data scientist analyzes the data through various statistical procedures. It will require tools and software. Tools for data science. Data scientists use the following tools and programming languages. 1.R. This is a scripting language that is specifically tailored for statistical computing and mostly used for statistical operations. 2.Python. This is an interpreter-based high-level programming language. IT is widely used for data analysis, natural language processing, and computer vision. Python comes with various graphical and statistical packages like Matplotlib, NumPy, SciPy. 3. SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Data scientists use SQL for managing and querying data stored in databases. Applications of data science. Some of the following applications of data science are: 1. Data science in healthcare. Data science has been playing a major role in the healthcare industry. With the help of classification algorithms, doctors are able to detect cancer and tumors at an early stage using image recognition software. 2. Data science in e-commerce. Data scientists have developed recommendation systems predict user preferences. E-commerce companies use a recommendation system that recommend various products to users based on their historical purchase. 3. Data science in manufacturing. Industrial robots play repetitive roles in the manufacturing industry. These industrial robots are autonomous in nature and use data science technologies. 4. Data science as conversational agents. Data scientists have developed Alexa and Siri. These speech recognition systems convert human speech into textual data. Summary. With a large number of applications, data science has become the most versatile career in present time. Pros and cons of data science. The field of data science is massive with both advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of data science. 1. In demand. Data science a highly employable job sector. Job seekers have numerous opportunities. It is the fastest growing job. 2. Highly paid career. Data science is one of the most highly paid jobs, so a highly lucrative career option. 3. Numerous applications. It is widely used in healthcare, banking, consultancy services, and e-commerce industries. 4. Better use of data. Data science deals with enriching data and making it better for companies. It improves quality. Data scientists allow companies to make smarter business decisions. Disadvantages of data science. 1. Technical complexity. This field involves complex technical skills such as coding, statistics, and machine learning, which is very challenging to master. 2. Data quality. High-quality data is needed to perform accurate analyses, but data quality can be an issue in some cases. 3. Time-consuming. These projects can be time-consuming, require several months or even years to complete.